Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Masterminds. In our last video, we discussed the questions and answers from the previous year question papers with respect to the topic Index Properties of Soil. I hope you have already gone through it. If not, I would request you to please watch it. Today we are discussing the previous year questions from Methods of Classification of Soil from the Geotechnical Engineering. So let's quickly start our discussion. So the first question we have is, a fine grained soil has liquid limit of 60 and plastic limit of 20. As per the plasticity chart, according to IS classification, the soil is represented by the letter symbols Cl, Ci, Ch, Cl, Ml. So we have to find out from the plasticity chart what is the representation of the given soil. So we have the plasticity chart here with the plasticity index in the y-axis and liquid limit in the x-axis. So this graph you should be thorough in the mind. So given liquid limit as 60, WL is equal to 60. So plasticity index first we have to find out from the chart. We know the formula for the plasticity index from the A line is 0.73 into WL minus 20. So here WL is 60. So we are getting it as 29.2. The other equation for plasticity index is what? WL minus plastic limit, that is liquid limit minus plastic limit, which is 60 minus 20, which is equal to 40. So therefore IP is greater than IPC. So from the graph it is known that the soil is represented by the marking CH, since the liquid limit is 60, which is above 50, and this 40 value for the IP, which is greater than the A line. So it is coming to be CH. Second question, the laboratory test results of a soil sample are given below. So percentage finer than 4.75 mm is 60 percentage finer than 0.075 mm is 30, liquid limit is given as 35 percentage, and plastic limit is given as 27 percentage. So the soil classification is what? So we have 50 percentage, more than 50 percentage is passing through 4.75 mm. It's clear from the question. So it will be sand, and as it contains finer particles which is more than 12 percentage, so it will be silt. So the soil sample we have is silty sand. So we should know what is the notation for silty sand. So for the silt we have the notation M, and for the sand we have the notation S. So we represent silty sand as SM. Next question, group symbols assigned to silty sand and clayey sand are respectively what? So as we discussed, the notations for sand, silt and clay are S, M and C respectively. So for silty sand is what? Which is a sand which is containing silt. So it's represented as SM. And for the clayey sand means it is a sand containing a considerable percentage of clay. So it is SC. From the notations it's clear. So moving on to our next question. A soil mass contains 40% gravel, 50% sand and 10% silt. So the soil can be classified as what? The first option we have a silty sandy gravel having coefficient of uniformity less than 60. Next is silty gravelly sand having coefficient of uniformity equal to 10. Next is gravelly silty sand having coefficient of uniformity greater than 60. And the fourth option D is gravelly silty sand and its coefficient of uniformity cannot be determined. Since the soil contains 40% gravel, 50% sand and 10% silt, we represent it as silty gravelly sand. Silt is less in percentage, then comes the gravel, then comes the sand. So majorly it is a sand, it's a sand. The soil sample is sand, but with the given compositions we can explain it as silty, gravelly sand. Next question. The values of liquid limit and plasticity index for soils having common geological origin in a restricted locality usually define what? So these things we should know, we should be well aware of these things. Like it will be a straight line parallel to a line. Next question, the equation for the A line in the plasticity chart is what? This we already know. It is 0.73 into WL minus 20. IP is equal to 0.73 into WL minus 20. IP is the plasticity index and WL is the liquid limit of the soil. Moving on to our next question. It's a true or false question, 1 mark question. The A line in the plasticity chart separates organic clays from inorganic clays. It is like it's very clear. It's very clear, and we have learned also it separates organic clays from the inorganic clays. So the option or the correct answer will be true. Next question, multiple choice question it is. The description sandy salty clay signifies what? So we have the option with like unequal proportions of sand silt clay with equal proportions, and they have given in the options which one is more, like clay or silt or sand is more. So let's see the explanation. Sandy silty clay signifies that the soil contains unequal proportion. So it contains unequal proportion and clay has more fraction than sand, because the clay, we are writing clay as the final part, so it is clay has more fraction than sand. The next question, the maximum possible value of group index for a soil is what? So the group index, which is represented by the notation GI, it is the formula for that is 0.2A plus for 0.005 AC plus 0.01 BD. So GI, the group index, we have minimum and maximum values. We have a 0 and 20. So if the group index for a soil is 0, then it indicates a good subgrade material. So if it going on to the maximum, like if it is the group index is 20, then it indicates a very poor subgrade material. So we have discussed the previous year questions from the part index properties, the classification, soil classification system from the geotechnical engineering. So I hope you're very well clear with the questions, and I think we can discuss more questions from this part, not the previous year questions but the model questions from the different books and from the internet also. We can discuss so many questions in the upcoming videos. So I hope you're clear with it. So friends, please subscribe and share also with your friends, so for them also it will be useful. This will be actually useful not only for GATE, for all the competitive exams for the civil engineers. This will be useful, so please share and subscribe. So thank you and see you in the next video.